Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a very amazing day, or maybe it's an amazing day, and we're gonna be diving into the world of AI and the careers. I want to give Gemini 2.5 Pro, the advanced one, a prompt so that we can learn together the top high paying AI careers, or maybe AI skills that we can learn without having the experience, or maybe if we are not people who know about coding. So the prompt that I'm going to be using, I already have it here. I can give it I'm going to leave it on, or maybe I'm going to leave it in my description so that we can learn together. You can give it using Gemini, using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or whichever one you want. Any AI model, it's going to help you. So we're going to first give it here. We're going to put it here, insert it here, and the prompt is, I'm a beginner with no coding experience, but I'm comfortable using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, AI, and other no-code platforms. I want to transition into a high-paying AI-related career in 2025. Please give me a list of an in-demand and beginner-friendly AI roles that don't require programming, but still offer growth and income potential. Include salary ranges, what each role involves, and what skills or tools I need to learn. Also, suggest a simple 30-day learning roadmap with the free or maybe affordable resources and practical projects ideas to build a strong portfolio. Okay, so we're gonna actually give Gemini 2.5 Pro. I'm using it because I'm on a trial. You don't have to pay if you're starting. You can also try, or maybe you can sign up for a trial for 1 month, or maybe even the free one. But for best result, because it's gonna do the analysis and the research based on the current trends. I highly recommend, or maybe ask you to do, or maybe to use the Pro one. Okay. If you're not using Gemini, like I said, you can even use ChatGPT for all of this. But for today, we're going to be learning using this one, okay? Because this is the strategy that I normally use, or I want to use actually to learn using AI stuff, okay? So as you can see, Gemini going to go to its work. It's showing it is thinking, and it's going to give us the results. Already it has given us the results, and let's go together. I'm going to do a quick read so that we can actually learn through all of us. Now it says, okay, this is exciting goal, transitional into AI without coding. Our background is increasingly feasible, and especially with your comfort using AI tools and non-code platforms. Here is a breakdown of in-depth beginner-friendly AI roles along with 30 learning roadmap to get started. Okay, in-demand and beginner-friendly AI roles, no coding required. So this is the strategy that it has given us, like it has given analyzed everything here. Here are some of the roles that are leverage strong analytical, creative, and communication and project management skills, which are often transferable and also don't primarily require programming. So the first one is AI prompt engineering, entry level or maybe junior. So what it involves, it says, this is a rapidly emerging role. You will be designing, refining, and also optimizing text-based prompts to guide large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, to produce desired outcomes. This involves understanding the nuances, or maybe the differences of language, creative thinking, and also in rational testing to achieve specific tones, styles, and also accurate information. You will help businesses integrate LLMs into their workflow effectively. Skills and tools to learn. Skill number 1, excellent written communication, critical thinking, creativity, analytical skills, understanding of LLM capabilities and limitation, interactive testing, testing, and ability to understand user needs. And then it has given us here tools. You're going to be using deep familiarity with various LLMs like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, etc. Prompt management tools like emerging, but spreadsheets can actually work initially. Understanding AI content generation principle. Okay, so I won't read all of it, but I think you can go through all of this so that you can understand. And the salary range in US, as an example, can vary significantly by location and company. They're saying it is around approximately, let's say, $50,000 US dollars to $90,000 US dollars for entry or maybe junior level. Specialized prompt engineers for specific industries can command a higher salary. Growth potential can lead to roles in AI content strategy, AI product management, or maybe specialized AI training. So up to there, I think we are together, guys, and I'll leave you to read the rest of the thing because I don't want to make the video long, but I'm gonna read the number 2 high-paying career or maybe job that Gemini is giving us, which is AI content creator or maybe strategist. It has given here what it involves: creating engaging and informative content about AI, article, blog post, social media videos, tutorials, or maybe using AI tools to assist in creating content for various marketing or educational purposes. Skills and tools to learn: strong writing, communication skills, storytelling, SEO basic, content strategy, ability to research. As you can see, strong writing is something that you should put in consideration because it is being mentioned in all of these. Now, tools: AI writing assistant like Jasper, Copy AI, ChatGPT, AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, Canvas AI tools, video editing softwares, e.g. CapCut, Descript, and some with AI features. Okay, salary ranges from 45,000 to 80,000 USD, depending on experience, portfolio, and also niche. Okay, so all of them, they have been mentioned here. Let's go to number 3, skill number 3, or maybe career number 3, which is no code AI specialist. Citizen AI developer. Wow, what it involves: using no code or maybe low code AI platforms to build, customize, and deploy AI powered applications, or maybe automate workflows without writing traditional code. Okay, this could involve creating chatbots, data analysis tools, or automating business process using drag and drop interface and pre-built AI models. The skills, they have been mentioned here: logical thinking, problem solving, understanding of basic AI concepts, e.g. machine learning types, data processing, workflow design, user experience. Salary ranges from 55,000 to 95,000 USD as you gain experience with specific platforms and also successful deployments. Let's move on to number 4, which is actually AI data annotator or maybe labeler or entry point. Okay, now what it involves: this is a foundational role in AI development. You will be meticulously labeling images, text, audio, or maybe video data to train AI models. For example, identifying objects in images for computer vision models, or maybe categorizing text for natural language processing. Accuracy and also attention to detail are key. Skills you're going to be needing and the tools to learn. Skills involve high attention to detail, patience, ability to follow complex guidance, basic computer literacy, domain knowledge. Okay, and then the tools: data annotation platforms, e.g. Labelbox, Scale AI, Amazon SageMaker, Ground, or maybe Truth. Okay, so the tools here, they have been given. Salary involves salary range is about 30,000 to 55,000. Okay, while not always high paying at the entry level, it is crucial foot in the door. Okay, and understand AI data fundamentals. Let's move on to number 5, which is AI ethic assistant or maybe junior policy analyst. Okay, wow. What it involves: supporting the development and improvement of responsible AI practices. This could involve researching AI ethics guidelines, helping to identify potential biases in AI systems. Skills and tools to learn. Skills: you need strong research and analytical skills, excellent written and verbal communication, understanding of ethical frameworks, critical thinking, interest in societal impact of AI. Tools you have to actually use: it says research databases, document creation software, presentation tools, familiarity with AI concept and potential societal impact is more important than specific software. Salary range ranges from $50,000 per 85 up to 85,000 for entry level. Okay, now it also gives us the growth potential there. Let's move on to number 6, which is AI project coordinator. Wow, what it involves: assisting AI projects managers in planning, organizing, and also overseeing AI projects. This includes tracking timeline, managing documentation, facilitating communication between stakeholders, stuff like that. Now, skills involve excellent organization skills, communication, attention to detail, problem solving, basic project management principles, stuff like that. Now, tools: project management software, Asana, Trello, Jira. Wow, some of them I've never heard about them. Salary ranges around 50,000 to 80,000 USD for entry level. Okay, I think the salary is per year, if I'm not wrong. Then simple, it has given here as a simple 30-day learning roadmap. If you want, I'm going to leave it in the description so that you guys can follow up. This roadmap focuses on building foundational knowledge and practical portfolio. Goal: to gain understanding of AI, explore 1 or 2 chosen roles in depth, and create 2 to 3 portfolio projects using no-code tools. Okay, so week number 1, fundamentals of fundamentals and role exploration. Day 1 to day 3, what is AI? 3 to 4 hours. So it has given here. So the best thing you can do is actually, guys, to just put that prompt, and then you're going to be given the 30-day learning process. Just go through one by one, learning each, taking step by step, like little by little, so that you can understand everything. Because even if I read all of these at once, we won't actually understand anything. But I just wanted to give you a prompt and also reads the answers, or maybe the response from Gemini 2.5 Pro, so that you can also explore together. You can also use this chance to learn, and just keep in mind that AI is becoming in our daily activities, and we're going to be seeing a lot of changes. Brands, companies, businesses are actually looking, even the recruiters are actually looking for people who have AI skills. So the better for you to start diving in and learning some of these things, the better for you. The earlier, the better. That's what I wanted to say. So if you want this prompt, I'll leave it so that you can try by yourself and tell me in the comment section which video or which subject do you want us to dive in and learn together, grow together. Remember, we are not tech gurus, we are not even coders. As you can see, we are just common people utilizing whatever we have at the moment to actually better ourselves. And let me tell you guys, there is no other better room, or maybe there is no other there is nothing better like self-improvement. Okay, there is always that room that is never full, which is self-improvement, self-learning. Take each day as a blessing from God, and also learn something new, do something new, so that tomorrow you're gonna be happy, or maybe you're gonna be proud of when it comes to tomorrow. I'll leave you here, and if you're liking my content, you want to see more, you want to hear my voice all the time, do me one favor, guys, like this video, follow up, and also share to anyone who thinks needs to learn something about AI, especially the era that we are living in. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye.